Welcome to Beautyistic, where we review the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today we're diving into the Lancôme Advanced Génifique Night Cream, a product that promises to repair your skin barrier overnight. With a blend of Bifidus Prebiotic, Hyaluronic Acid, and a Triple Ceramide Complex, it aims to deliver hydration and rejuvenation while you sleep. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Lancôme Advanced Génifique Night Cream is part of the brand's larger skincare line designed to boost skin's resilience. This 1.7 phthalates jar features a rich, nourishing formula intended for nighttime use. The active ingredients are centered around a Triple Ceramide Complex, which helps to repair and reinforce the skin barrier. There's also Bifidus Prebiotic, which supports the skin's microbiome, and Hyaluronic Acid, known for its deep hydration properties. It's designed to work while you sleep, a time when the skin is typically most receptive to active ingredients. In terms of texture, this night cream is thick but absorbs surprisingly well. It's not greasy, making it ideal for a variety of skin types, including those prone to congestion. When applied, it feels like a gentle blanket on the skin, providing instant hydration without any heaviness. I've used it for several nights, and I noticed that my skin felt smoother and more hydrated by morning. It didn't leave any oily residue, which was a relief, as some richer creams tend to feel too heavy on my skin. As for performance, this cream held up well during daily use. My skin felt more plump and soft after applying it, which is a good sign that the hyaluronic acid is doing its job. I didn't notice any drastic changes overnight, but over the course of a week, I could see that my skin barrier felt more resilient, with fewer dry patches or irritation. It's important to note that this product is formulated to repair the skin barrier over time, so the results won't necessarily be instant. Let's break it down. On the plus side, the cream's texture is smooth and easily spreadable, offering immediate hydration without feeling greasy. The combination of Bifidus Prebiotic, Hyaluronic Acid, and ceramides is a solid one, especially for those dealing with dry or compromised skin. It's a luxurious product that definitely delivers on the promise of hydration and barrier repair. On the flip side, the price tag is a bit steep. While the quality is undeniable, it's certainly on the higher end of the market. If you're someone who's looking for a budget-friendly option, this might not be your first choice. Also, while it does hydrate well, it doesn't drastically alter skin tone or texture overnight, so the results are subtle, and you may need to use it for a longer period to see the full benefits. When comparing this to similar products, the Lancôme Advanced Génifique Night Cream stands out due to its emphasis on the skin barrier. While other night creams might focus primarily on anti-aging or moisture, this one's specialty is repairing the skin's protective layer. However, if you're looking for more intensive anti-aging benefits, there are other night creams out there that target wrinkles and fine lines more aggressively. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, with a glass jar that feels high-end. While the jar packaging is pretty, it's worth noting that you'll need to dip your fingers in, which can expose the product to bacteria. That's a personal preference, but some might prefer pump dispensers for convenience and hygiene. Now, when it comes to value for money, this one's a little tricky. Yes, the ingredients are top tier, and Lancôme is a premium brand. If you're someone who values skincare that focuses on long-term barrier health and hydration, then this might justify the higher price. But if you're on a tight budget, there are other products out there that offer similar benefits at a lower cost. As far as alternatives go, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are plenty of budget-friendly options with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, like CeraVe's PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It's not quite as luxurious, but it offers excellent hydration and barrier repair without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Lancôme Advanced Génifique Night Cream is a solid performer, particularly if you're looking for a product that prioritizes skin barrier repair and hydration. It's not a miracle worker, but over time, it does help keep skin smooth, plump, and well moisturized. It's definitely suited for people with dry or sensitive skin who need a little extra TLC overnight. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.